This is my second video on Java AWT. Here I am going to show you how to develop a Java application by using AWT package. So this is the application that I am going to develop, a frame-based application which is containing labels, two labels and two text fields and button. When this button is clicked, the text from these two boxes will swap or interchange. How to handle this event, how to interchange them, that I will show in next video. In this video, I am going to show how to develop this application's GUI, that is interface. Here, I have defined a class that is swap, and it is having a main method like every Java program will have. And for using AWT components, I have to import a package that is java.awt. Star means all the classes that are available in the AWT package will be available in my program. First thing that I have to create is a frame, this frame, so where I can place all these components. So frame is a class available in AWT package. It is having two constructors. One will take no parameters, second one will take title that you want to show on the frame. So here I am creating a frame F, and when creating an object I am giving the title as my frame. So a frame is created. Now next, I want two labels, that is first and second, these two labels. Label is a AWT class and it is having three constructors, a label without any parameters, one label where you can mention the string, whether you want first or second, what you want to display, you can take that as text. Third one, you can also mention the alignment of that text in the label, like you want it to be center align or left align or right align. So you can use the constants defined here, like you can say label.left or label.center or label.right. You can mention any of these values here as alignment. So here I have taken two labels, label L1, label L2. One, when it is created, I am making the label as first and next is second. So now I have three things, frame and two labels. Next, I want these two text fields, so where I can type the text. So for that, text field is a AWT class and it is having these four constructors. One with empty, no parameter. Second one is columns, is nothing but size. What should be the length of a text field? You can mention the length or size. The next is you can mention a default text, like nothing is here, empty it is. So if you want some text to appear here by default, you can mention the text. And next, one more constructor is there which is taking two parameters, that is text and the size. So here I have created two text fields, T1 versus T2, and two text fields are created where their sizes I have taken as 10. Next, I want a button. For that, a class is available in AWT package, that is button class, and it is having constructors, one constructor without any parameter, non-parameterized constructor, and second constructor which takes the string, that is the label that you want on the button. So here I have created a button B assign new button, and that is OK. I have given the button label as OK. Now I have frame, two labels, two text fields, and a button. So all these things I should add them on the frame. Otherwise, there is no relation with these things with the frame. So these things must be added, that is, they must be kept on the frame. So I have to say add. So frame is having add function. So f dot add and f dot add. So I'm using it for adding all the components. So I'm using it for adding all the components. So first I am adding L1, that is label 1, then text field, then second label, then second text field, and then a button. OK button. Now my application is ready. Till here my application is ready. Now only thing that I have to do is I have to make it visible on the screen. So you can see that in the hierarchy, frame is a class which is inheriting from window, and that window is inheriting from container. container is inheriting from component. So frame is having its own methods and also the methods that are being inherited from window and container and then component. So this add function is actually a part of container. Containers can contain other components, so they will have add method. And every component can be set visible or invisible. So this set visible and the size, these two methods are actually present in component which are borrowed via all these classes and they are being inherited in frame class. So frame class is containing these two methods. So to make the frame visible on the screen, I should set the size and also set it visible. So f dot set visible true, and that's how this application, that is GUI interface, will appear on the screen. Here I will develop the same application. So let us start a new project. I'll give the name as swap. Yeah, here everything is ready for me. So I'll just import java.awt.asterisk. Now here I have to write down everything in main function. Frame f assign new frame. I need labels. This is the first label. Second label. First text field. Second text field. Button. I have to simply add all of them to frame. Label 1, text field 1, label 2, text field 2, button. That's all. Everything is added. And one important thing is, for the frame, I have to set the layout as flow layout. What is this layout? Why I have to set it? These things will come across later in other videos. I'll prepare separate videos upon layouts. Now, as I said, I have to set the size. So I'll take some size 300 comma 300. Then also I have to set it visible. That's it. Everything is ready. Yeah, my program is ready. It is inside a swap class and inside the main method I have written all these lines. Now I have to run the program. Yeah, here it is. My application is ready. If I write something here and click on this button, nothing happens because I have not written any functionality. So in next video, I'm going to show you how to swap the contents of these two text fields. So that's what I will discuss event handling in the next video. So I will discuss event handling in next video. Thanks for watching. Please leave your feedback.